Hello everyone, this is Professor Mahesh Pardeshi from Parvatibai Genba Mose College of Engineering, Wagholi, Pune. Now we will discuss the problems related to our first unit, that is property of fluid. This is second problem. Now see the problem. Calculate the density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of a petrol having specific gravity 0.7. Now first of all, write the given data. Okay, first what is given? 1 liter of petrol means volume is given. Here volume is equal to 1 liter which is equal to 1 divided by 1000 meter cube. 1 divided by 1000 meter cube. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Therefore 1 liter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 meter cube. Now what is given? Second thing, specific gravity is 0.7. Therefore specific gravity capital S is equal to 0.7. And what we have to find? See here, density. First what we have to find? Density denoted by rho. Second is the specific weight denoted by small w, and weight is denoted by capital W. These three things we have to find. And what is given? Volume is given, and second is specific gravity S is given. What we have to find? Density, specific weight and weight of the liquid. Okay, now before going towards the problem, first of all you have to see what is given. Here what is given? Specific gravity is given, and what we have to find first? Density. So you have to remember the relation between specific gravity and density. First of all you have to remember the relation between the specific gravity and the density. So first point, density is equal to density rho is equal to, we have to go towards the relation between specific gravity and the density. Okay, specific gravity is equal to density of the liquid divided by density of the water. This relation we have to use here to find the density of the liquid. Therefore density of the liquid is equal to specific gravity into density of water. Okay, very simple formula is this. Density of liquid is equal to specific gravity into density of water. Now put the values. Specific gravity is 0.7. It is given. Specific gravity is 0.7. and second, density of the water already know, 1000. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Therefore this value becomes, multiply this, value becomes 700 kg per meter cube. This is our first answer, that is density. Density is equal to 700 kg per meter cube. Okay, now second point, what we have to find? Second, small w, that is weight density. W. To find this value, we have to go for the relation between weight density and the density. We have to go to the relation between the weight density and the density. You already know this weight density is equal to this mass density into g, acceleration due to gravity. This weight density W is equal to mass density into acceleration due to gravity, that is its value is 9.81. Okay, put the values. put the values. 700 into 9.81, 9.81. Find this value, find the value, find the value. 700 into 9.81, that is 6867 Newton per meter cube. Its value is 6867 Newton per meter cube, Newton per meter cube. Okay, this is all about the weight density. Now third term is the weight. Third is the weight of the liquid and denoted by capital W, So to find this weight, we have to go towards this weight density. Remember the formula of the weight density in terms of weight. What is the formula of weight density in terms of weight? Okay, see the formula. Weight density W is equal to small w, that is weight density is equal to weight divided by volume. Weight divided by volume. From this equation we will find the value of this weight. Therefore weight is equal to weight, capital W is equal to specific weight into volume. Weight capital W is equal to specific weight into volume. Now this specific weight is equal to 6867 Newton per meter cube into volume is 1 divided by 1000. So we will get the value. Of weight is this 6867 divided by 1000, that is 6.867 Newton. This weight is equal to, weight of the liquid is equal to 6.867 newtons. Its unit is newtons, because unit of this specific weight is Newton per meter cube and multiply by meter cube. So meter cube get cancelled and the unit becomes newtons. Unit of the weight is newtons. Okay, this is all about this problem number 2. Okay, thank you.